Those of you who follow Tesla Giga Berlin closely, you know that one of the biggest issues and one of the slowdowns of Giga Berlin's final approval is the water supply, the water issue. And today there is some good news about the water issue. For Tesla Giga Berlin and the Berlin area, District Administrator of Märkisch-Oderland starts a new initiative to make sure there is a supply for the entire area, including Tesla Giga Berlin. Is there enough water for Tesla and for the Berlin Bacon Belt area? A court case could jeopardize the supply, but the district administrator of Märkisch-Oderland takes the initiative, and in this report I'm going to tell you what that initiative is. Welcome back, friends. This is Armin Harian from TalkNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. So what's next for the water supply for Tesla Gigafactory Berlin and residents in the commuter belt area? A court case about increased water pumping in Eggersdorf is causing uncertainty. If the court decides in favor of the plaintiffs, bottlenecks in the supply could arise. The district administrator of Märkisch-Oderland, Jeroen Schmidt, is now taking the initiative. On Thursday, yesterday, there was a meeting of 5 water associations in Seelow. Water associations are associations in Germany that are responsible for supplying water for the businesses and the people in that particular area. And so 5 water associations, including the one that provides water for Tesla Giga Berlin, or responsible for that area, met in Seelow. All the associations in Märkisch-Oderland and Fürstenwalder Association, whose area extends over 2 districts, came to this meeting. Now, you want to look for a solution. Actually, they wanted to look for a solution to possible bottlenecks in the water supply and make sure water is supplied for Tesla Giga Berlin as well as the residents of the area. Now, District Administrator Schmidt now wants to write a letter to the state of Brandenburg. In other words, he wants to turn to the country for help. The associations request data from the state office for the environment that provide information about groundwater reserves in the area, but also about protected areas, water protected areas. A spokesman for the district said to German publication MOS.de that a concept should be developed in the next few months where reserves could be tapped. Where the water reserves would be tapped, it's about possible deliveries from areas of the district far from Berlin, for the Berlin edge, and in particular for the water association Strasbourg-Erner WSE, which is the water association responsible for supplying Tesla Giga Berlin. In other words, they want to develop ideas while they have time, because Tesla has enough water for the first phase of Giga Berlin. But to expand Giga Berlin, Tesla will need more water, and water associations say there is not enough water. So now this meeting of 5 water associations, they want to see what they can do to bring water from far areas to the edge of Berlin to support Strasbourg-Erner Water Association to supply water for the businesses in the region. Now, this association, like I said, is responsible for supplying Tesla Giga Berlin factory and operates the waterworks in Eggersdorf. Environmental groups have complained about increased water pumping in Eggersdorf. They fear damage to the environment, but also excessive and unsustainable use of groundwater reservoirs. The administrative court in Frankfurt will hear the case on February 11, just a couple of days from now, friends. And this is why I said that this court case could jeopardize the supply of water to Tesla Giga Berlin. Please subscribe to our channel, because we're going to follow that court case and bring you the latest about Giga Berlin and what happens with this. I think we may have to wait until February 11th to see the final permit for Giga Berlin, but who knows, it may come any day now. This is Armin Harian from TalkNews.com. Please let me know your comments your opinion in the comment section below. I think this is a very good news that the water associations are coming together to do something to make sure there is enough water for Giga Berlin and for the area, so Giga Berlin can expand the phase 2 and phase 3 without any extra worries with battery production and so on. So please subscribe to our channel, give us thumbs up, like this video, I would greatly appreciate it, and share in social media. Let's move on to our next Tesla story. Have a blessed day. Tesla Motors Instagram today shared this breaking video from Giga Berlin factory's paint shop showing how Giga Berlin paints its test Model Y vehicles, and it applies coating. After dipping the car in a cleaning bath, we electrically apply a coating to prevent corrosion when on the road, reads the message apparently by Tesla, quoted by GF for Tesla Twitter blogger who regularly documents Tesla Giga Berlin's progress with daily updates. So take a look at this video, friends. What do you think? I think it's very interesting. Maybe nothing special because all the companies do it this way, but we know that Elon Musk has said that Giga Berlin is going to have one of the world's most advanced paint shops in the world in the automotive industry. So I've been reading some comments. People say that Giga Shanghai is pretty good also, and this is going to be even better than Giga Shanghai, and that Elon Musk also has said that once Giga Berlin is up and running, the paint shop's new technologies will be applied to other new gigafactories that Tesla builds, and also Fremont, and of course Tesla Giga Texas. Now, when you watch this video, is it fair to conclude that it's clear from the video that automatic car washes are perfectly fine as long as they are full immersion? What do you think? So now Tesla Giga Berlin really nears the start of the full production once it receives the final permit from the relevant German agency. In the meantime, about 20 days ago, if you remember, I reported it, German State Environment Agency issued another early permit to Tesla, allowing the EV manufacturer to produce 2,000 Model Y test vehicles at Giga Berlin Gigafactory. According to Frauke Zeit, the spokesperson for the Brandenburg Ministry of the Environment, Tesla requested to manufacture more Model Y test vehicles at Giga Berlin. The State Environment Agency previously approved test production of 250 Model Y bodies, while Tesla waits for Giga Berlin's final approval. Tesla requested an advanced approval because the quality and manufacturing efficiencies required for system and unit acceptance in relation to the operating unit mentioned have not been achieved. Tesla noted that the parts and bodies that have been manufactured at Giga Berlin thus far differed considerably from system specification. The agency's 12-page approval allowing Tesla Giga Berlin to manufacture 250 Model Y bodies included an addendum. The addendum states Tesla is now de facto able to produce pre-series. Tesla is permitted to manufacture 500 bodies per week with a maximum of 2,000 bodies in total. So let me know, friends, what do you think about this development? What do you think about this new Instagram video from Giga Berlin's factory paint shop showing how Tesla paints its test Model Y vehicles and it applies coating? Anything special that you notice, or just standard in the automotive industry? Also, when do you think the first Model Y vehicles will roll off the assembly line? Today, also in our YouTube's community page, I posted a question asking our community members, when do you think which of these two gigafactories you think will first start mass production and deliveries? Giga Texas or Giga Berlin? Giga Texas started several months later than Giga Berlin in terms of construction, but it seems that Giga Texas is now more advanced and closer to the final approval, although Giga Texas is also waiting for final certification, than Giga Berlin. But who knows, maybe Giga Berlin's final approval will come tomorrow or next day. So we'll wait and see. This is Armen Harayan from torquenews.com. Please subscribe to our channel, friends, for daily breaking Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage, and share in social media. Give us thumbs up, like this video. I would greatly appreciate it, and I'll look forward to reading your opinion and comments in the comment section below. Have a wonderful rest of the day. God bless you, everyone, and your families. Let's move on to our next Tesla story.